Today I'm in Kenner, Louisiana. It's about 20 minutes outside of downtown New Orleans and 10 minutes away from the Louis Armstrong International Park. Let's go take a look inside. This is a new construction 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath home. What I like about this property is the soft colors on the wall. It's like a pastel and rose mixed with cream. It goes beautiful with the natural light that comes inside of this property. Everyone loves an open floor plan, right? In this home, you have a kitchen that goes directly into the dining area that leads into the living area that has 2 doors to the outside area. This yard has an outdoor patio with a fan and some more green space on both sides. This is a step, so it adds good dimension and depth into the yard. I like this. Right across this fence is some lots available to purchase, and not too far from here during Hurricane Francine, a lot of homes did take in water, so it's a good opportunity to maybe get some investment properties under my investor's belt. Right off of the living area, we have the master bedroom and suite. A lot of natural light. We have a walk-in shower, jacuzzi, as well as a walk-in closet. I love this light fixture. And with this property specifically, it is available for owner financing or bond for deed. Again, this is in Kenner, Louisiana, a new construction property, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 20 minutes away from downtown New Orleans and 10 minutes away from the Louis Armstrong Airport, and a wonderful family-oriented neighborhood out here in Kenner, Louisiana. Every bed is a full bed. Every bedroom has a closet, 2 closets. A lot of good schools, a lot of parks in the neighborhood, not too far from the lakefront. Beautiful family-oriented neighborhood. Again, this is a new construction property, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths.